Hello. Here is my circuit wiring. This is the passive buzzer, the LED, and the button. And so this code works as a kitchen timer. So when I press this, it'll turn yellow. And then after a certain amount of time, it will turn red. And then after another amount of time, it'll start playing a song. So there is it in action, and then this is the code for it, where I name all the variables, pins, do the setup, and then here is my code for the different loops and the song, and I will show it working in the code through serial monitor. So it's turned red. And that's it for today. You can also notice that in this code, instead of using delay to get the timer working, I used millis with elapsed time equals millis minus start time, with start time being right here, so millis whenever it started.